Kedụ ndewo aha m bụ Ijeoma. Onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. I'm sorry about a minute late today. Kedụ ka ị mere akwa ahụ dị? Today we are going to be discussing place names. Okay, this is day 10 of the 14-day Igbo lessons here on YouTube. So we started on the 15th, is ending on the 30th. We're going to be discussing the names of places in Igbo, so that tomorrow, by God's grace, when we discuss like where are you, where are you going, we can put those place names in our sentences. Olo. Olo means house or home. So this is quite a useful word to know in Igbo. Olo is house, home, building, depending on what you're talking about. So if I say something like nolo, that means I'm at home, okay? But if it's the building dedicated to doing something like a bank or school, we would normally say olo something to describe what that house or building is used for. Okay, so in general, olo is a house. So let's find some other places. Olo akwụkwọ. So akwụkwọ has a few meanings. One of the meanings is book or studies. Book, studies. So olo akwụkwọ is a place where you study, which is school. Olo akwụkwọ. So a lot of Igbo words are descriptive in nature. We use it just describe where the place is, what the place is used for. Ulo ako. Now ako means wealth or riches. So what do you think olaku is? Well done if you said bank. Olako, the house of wealth or house of riches. Okay. You find this ako in names like Obiageli Ako. He's the one who comes in a time of wealth. Okay. Olo ego. Olo ego. Ego is money. So house of money, again, this is bank. So there are two names for bank. You can call it Olako or Olo ego. Okay. Olakoko, Olako, Olego. Oloka. Oloka is church. Oloka is church. Oka is church. Oka means speech, like oku. So oka and oku are the same thing, like talk, speech. Now what I'm not sure is if that's there because there's a lot of preaching and talking in church. I don't know if that's why we named it Oloka, but oka means speech, oku, a talk. So Oloka church, Oloka church. Olonri. Nri means food. So what do you think Olonri is? Yeah, restaurant, house of food. Olonri. Sometimes you might hear Olo Oriri. Oriri also has to do with eating, if you hear that. Olo Oriri, Olonri, the both restaurants, okay? Olo Ikpe. Ikpe means justice. So this is the courthouse, court, okay? Oloka church. Olonri restaurant. Oloikpe court, the law court. Oloikpe, because ikpe means justice, judgment. Dalo. Ọgwu. Actually, ikpe is judgment. Ọgwu. Ọgwu means medicine. Medicine. That the actual drug that somebody takes. So like paracetamol or something. So Ọgwu, house of medicine. What do you think that is? Hospital. Well done. Hospital. Hospital. Ahịa is market. So Ahịa is market. Because traditionally in Igbo land, what we have is market, the open air market. That is Ahịa. But that was where we bought things. So having said that, if you're going to the shop, to the store, you still call it Ahịa because that's where you buy things. So Ahịa is a place where you buy things. Shop, store, mall, whichever your favorite term in English it is Ahịa is where you buy things. Ọba akwụkwọ. Ọba akwụkwọ. So this is the library. Ọba means like a storage. Okay, Ọba. Traditionally we had like Ọbaji, which means like yam bands where people like farmers used to like store their yams for eating and for future crop. So we call them Oba is a storage. So Oba akwụkwọ, this would be the storage for books, library. Okay. I haven't written it here, but Ubi is farm, or Ugbo or Ubi is the farm. Nola, Dalo. Now, if you like more support with your learning, you would like to get some coaching online from me in the midst of other people that are motivated and learning Igbo, I invite you to check out the bootcamp. Visit igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Enola, ngwana kodi o na